Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. And today's the topic of my video lecture is Changing Environment of Human Resource Management. We all need to consider the environmental factors when we want to implement anything. We all require a contingency approach to be more effective in the present world. The same holds true for organizations also. The purpose of this topic is to unravel the mystery surrounding external and internal factors that complicate the job of HR manager in actual practice. Thus, you see, an HR manager works in a varied environment. He can only do his duties well if he is updated with the changing needs of the employees. And for this, he naturally has to keep himself abreast with not only the environment in which the organization exists, but also the environment from which the employees are coming to work. Here's Let's take few of the environmental factors which have significant impact on the organization. First, workforce diversity. The current decade is witnessing the changes in the composition of the workforce. Specifically, it will continue to become more diverse as women, minority group members, and older workers are joining the workforce. Changes in racial composition are even more dramatic. As the workforce ages, employers will have to grapple with greater healthcare cost and higher pension contribution. With more females in the workforce, an upswing in the number of dual career couples will force more employers to establish child care facilities on company premises and to accommodate the travel, scheduling, and moving needs of dual career employees. Increased diversity placing tremendous demand on the HR management function. The second point is technological trends. Technological changes will continue to shift employment from such occupations to others while continuing to a rise in productivity. Manufacturing advances are eliminating many blue-collar jobs, replacing them with knowledge workers. Similarly, changes are taking place in office also, where personal computers, word processing, and MIS continue to change the ways office work is done. Labor-intensive jobs are decreasing, while technical, managerial, and professional jobs are increasing. Technology will also compel firms to become more competitive. Information technology has also speeded the fall of hierarchy. Every employee with a personal computer on his desk can access the firm's computer network and get needed information. So, we can say that HR plays an integral role in any such changes. Next point is globalization. As firms are increasing day by day, firms are increasingly extending their sales or manufacturing to new markets abroad and for business everywhere. The rate of globalization in the past few years has been phenomenal. Production has become globalized too, as manufacturers around the world put manufacturing facilities where they find it more advantageous. Thus, globalization of markets and manufacturing has vastly increased international competition. Next point is trends in the nature of work. These trends include workforce diversity, technological trends, globalization, and changes in nature of jobs and work. Within the HR scenario, with the advent of globalization and technology, the pace and scope of change has increased substantially. In high intensive of change environment, there are new skills, integrated occupational designs, re-engineering job contents, organizational restructuring, outsourcing and downsizing, etc. have become a way of life and are accompanied by change. Or we can say that in respect of HR scenario, the changes may be individual and group level. Proactive, organizational, structural, developmental, occupational, incremental and transformational may be take place. The human resource environment is changing very fast and the changes are requiring it to play an ever more crucial role in the organizations. And the next will be knowledge, work and human capital. The typical business is increasingly becoming knowledge based. An organization composed largely of specialists who direct and discipline their own performance through organized feedback from colleagues, customer, and headquarters. For this reason, organizations are becoming more information based. As a result, the distinguishing characteristics of companies today and tomorrow is the growing emphasis on human capital. The growing focus on education and human capital reflects several social and economic factors. For managers, the challenge of fostering intellectual or human capital lies in the fact that such workers must be managed differently. New human resource management system and skills are required to self and train such employees and to foster their self discipline and commitment. Thank you.